our countertop shave ice maker. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of at least 11¼ inches and a depth of at least 15 inches and a height of at least 17¼ inches. Coming to the top will be a swing door where you can open, and the bottom, the area where you pour and dump in your ice increments. And over here will be your features: off switch and on to crush and create the shave ice. You have an option of either for coarse or fine. So whether if you want your ice increments to dispense in coarse form or fine, two features, left to right, are included. And the bottom is a reverse for the propellers on top, crushing the ice to spin in the opposite direction for maintenance and cleaning. Coming to the bottom will be your waste tray, along with a line for the water to run off. We have your standard 110 and 120 voltage connection. Located in the far right bottom corner is the ETO certification. And for all questions, give us a call. And for more information on this product, visit our website. Thank you.